Oh, what's going on today, guys? We're at a horse show for the week, but we do got some mail. We got a GKUD700. Got a dash cam again. It's got a dual 4K plus 1080p, GPS tracking, 3.18-inch touchscreen, 5.8G Wi-Fi, and app control. So let's open it up, dig right in, see what it is off the hop. Well, let's dig straight into it here. See what we got first glance. User manual. Usually pretty handy. Got a business card. Make sure you get the app. That's nice. Don't gotta take out the memory card and put in a computer or nothing. Couple stickers, stick to the windshield. Got the main unit. Seems nice and stiff, that's always good. Power button on the side. Comes with a 64 gig memory card as well. It's always really nice. We'll turn that on here in a little bit. Got the rear camera. Let's take it out of the bag. A long cable, no matter what rig you got, you're going to reach the back window, that's for sure. And power cord, plug in the cigarette lighter. The end there looks like a Type C. Plug into the camera. Little sticky ties for the wires, keep them all nice and hidden, organized. Pry bar in case you got to move it, take it off. A couple extra stickies, always handy. And that's all. We'll plug it in, play with the settings, and do a little test romp and see how she does. Well, another handy feature is that you can plug a USB in there. That's always good. But let's plug it in, see how long it takes to fire up, and we'll go from there. What English? What time zone are we in? I don't know. Well, we'll just click on that one for now. We want it in kilometers. Okay. I do have that blocked, maybe. Remove this part. There we go. Oh, you guys might not be able to see it, but there's the outside. Obviously, I'll put some actual clips on. Quite the glare. It's pretty bright out right now. Confirm or format it.
Press start recording.
Oh, now we're officially recording. There's no buttons at all.
Video locked.
Oh.
Stop recording.
There's all the settings.
Start recording. Stop recording.
We'll turn the Wi-Fi on to connect it to your phone. Playback.
Start recording.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Start recording.
Now we're officially recording.
That's just all the camera stuff. Go back. All the actual settings here. Play with the resolution. Oop. Video segment. Oh, no. Very easy to hit other buttons. 5 minutes is always good. Screen sleep. We wanted to go in sleep mode. Date and time. Oh, here we go. Worry about that later. Not really important for that right now. Ooh, 12-hour system. Time zone. I think this is, if it gets like a little impact, it'll automatically save some stuff. Driving alerts if you're tired. Speed units, miles or kilometers. License plate. Oh, you put our license plate in there, I guess. Language. Whatever floats your boat. Different light source, frequency, brightness. Oh, we want to do that high so we can see it. Oops. Volume, system settings, microphone sound, power on sound, ketone, GPS, voice prompts, timestamp, all the different gadgets. GPS information. Not really too sure what that means, but oh, I guess your coordinates where we are. SD format, factory reset. Got the model and software version. And app download. Scan that, and we can get all the juicy bits right off the card. Nope. Connect your password for it. Oh, rear camera's not hooked up just because we're testing purposes right here. But I'll hook up the other one. There and put it on the window and drive around for a bit, day and night, and see what kind of footage we can get. Oh, well, thanks for GKU for sending out another camera. I think the camera's great for the price. Can't go wrong there. Touch screen. You can see the screen, back, front. Beautiful. If you check out the links down below, I believe they have a sale on the day. If you're watching Stay Up, I don't know how long the sale is, but all the links are down below. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.